When you're writing an argument, your reasoning is what makes your claim believable. But sometimes reasoning stays at the surface, and that's where writing starts to feel weak. Let's look at what that means and how to strengthen it. Starting with a claim, students should have more choice in what they read in school. Here's the reasoning: because students like choosing their own books. At first glance, this seems fine, but notice what it's actually doing. It tells us what students prefer, but it doesn't explain why that matters. This is weak reasoning. Weak reasoning stays at the surface, relies on preference or opinion, and stops too soon. So, how do we strengthen it? Don't start over. Build from what's already there. Start with your original idea. Students like choosing their own books. Now strengthen it by asking, what happens because of this? Why does this matter? When students choose their own books, they're more likely to be interested in what they're reading. And when they're interested, they're more likely to stay engaged and actually finish the text. So now we put the thinking together. Students should have more choice in what they read in school because when students have choice, they are more engaged, more likely to finish what they read, and better able to develop independent reading habits. Notice the difference. We didn't change the idea, we extended the thinking. Instead of stopping at preference, we showed what happens and why it matters. When your reasoning feels weak, try this. Take what you already wrote and push it one step further. Explain what happens, show the impact, or connect it to a bigger outcome. A quick way to test your reasoning is to ask yourself, does this explain why it matters? If not, add one more step. As you work, look at your reasoning. If it feels short or surface level, don't erase it. Strengthen it. Push your thinking one step further. Strong reasoning isn't about writing more. It's about thinking a little deeper. And that is what makes your writing stronger.